Video 240, Artdude Ini. We need to take the uncompressed four-set assets in Artdude and convert them into compressed four-set assets that are going to be stored in the four-set namespace. We've added a function in the four-set function section called uDesign and F16 converted to bin4. So we're going to take the uDesign and F16 and convert it into a bit array, a 5x5 bit array. This function's not done. Let's look at what we're trying to do here, though. So we're trying to take this kind of a design that should look familiar from the Artdude assets, and for each one of these clusters, we're going to take one of these clusters and convert it into a bin4, which is a 32-bit number that encodes a 5x5 grid of bits that encodes a black and white image. And we can tint that image however we want. Inside of the Artdude function section, we have Artdude Ini, and we're going to take the lookup table full of Artdude assets, and we are going to process it and pump the final bit packed values into this lookup table in the four-set namespace. So we rename these a bit to give them saner temporary names. So layer and v16 converted to a uDesign, and then we have just an array of u32s because that's all this actually is. We're going to iterate through the layer, the tile value, and the subcluster in one of the four-set designs. So the subcluster here is 0 to 15 inclusive because it represents this. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to pull out the uDesign in the array that's stored within Artdude. And once we have this uDesign that contains 400 on or off bits, we want to take that, combine it with the subsector we want to look at, and convert that into a bit packed value. Then we want to seek to the correct position in our output and put that bin4 value in there. So that's kind of how this process works. And here's what we did previously. And here is the little design we went over briefly. And then here's what we did in this video. Stubbed in initialization logic and stubbed in the conversion function. So you've been on this playlist. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here. We don't have time here. You can check out the code here and email me here. This has been video 240. Like and subscribe.